Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Few drinks carry the weight of tradition like Arabic coffee. For centuries, it's been a symbol of hospitality, served in small cups during gatherings, celebrations and even business meetings. Its rich, cardamom-spiced flavor is just part of the experience. The ritual of preparation and sharing matters just as much. Rooted in Bedouin culture, this coffee isn't just a beverage but a gesture of welcome. Hosts pour it slowly, a sign of respect, while guests sip it as part of an unspoken bond. Even today, from Saudi Arabia to Lebanon, it remains a staple in homes and cafes, bridging generations. Whether you're new to Arabic coffee or looking to understand its deeper meaning, this guide walks you through its history, brewing secrets, and the customs that keep it alive. The history and origins of Arabic coffee. The story of Arabic coffee starts in the misty highlands of Ethiopia, but its heart belongs to the Arabian Peninsula. What began as a simple drink transformed into a cultural icon, shaping ceremonies, trade routes, and even political discussions. The journey from bean to tradition is as rich as the brew itself. The legend of Kaldi and the discovery of coffee. Everyone loves a good origin myth, and coffee's is no exception. According to legend, an Ethiopian goat herder named Kaldi noticed his herd dancing energetically after eating red berries from a wild tree. Curious, he tried them himself and felt a newfound alertness, history's first caffeine kick. Monks in nearby monasteries soon boiled the berries into a drink to stay awake during prayers. The recipe crossed the Red Sea to Yemen, where Sufi mystics used it for nighttime spiritual sessions. By the 15th century, coffee was cultivated in Yemen's port city of Mocha, and Arab traders perfected roasting the beans, creating the drink we recognize today. Coffee in the Arab world, from trade to tradition. Once coffee reached the Arabian Peninsula, it didn't just stay, it thrived. The drink became a social glue, with the first recorded coffee houses opening in Mecca. These weren't just places to sip coffee, but hubs for trade, debate, and storytelling. Culture and hospitality. Serving Arabic coffee became a sacred act, a sign of generosity. The finest beans, lightly roasted and spiced with cardamom, were reserved for guests. Politics and coffee houses. Ottoman rulers both loved and feared coffee houses. Some banned them for fear of rebellion, while others embraced them as centers of commerce. Global spread. Through trade, coffee traveled to Europe via Venice, but its roots remained in Arab traditions, influencing brewing methods worldwide. From royal courts to dessert tents, Arabic coffee became more than a drink, it was a language of connection. Even now, the careful pour, the shared cups, and the slow sipping carry echoes of that history. The art of brewing authentic Arabic coffee. Arabic coffee isn't just made, it's crafted with intention. Every step, from selecting spices to the slow pour, turns brewing into a ritual. If you've ever tasted it, you know its smooth, fragrant flavor lingers long after the last sip. Here's how to bring that experience into your own kitchen. Essential ingredients for Arabic coffee. The magic of Arabic coffee comes from a handful of key ingredients, each adding depth and tradition to the brew. Finely ground coffee beans. Unlike espresso, Arabic coffee uses a light roast for a milder, almost tea-like quality. The grind should be powder fine, like confectioner's sugar. Cardamom. The star spice, cardamom gives the coffee its signature warmth. Freshly crushed pods release the best aroma. Saffron, optional. A pinch of saffron adds floral depth and a golden hue, often reserved for special occasions. Water. Soft water works best, letting the coffee and spices shine without mineral interference. Sugar, optional. Traditionally, Arabic coffee is unsweetened, but some prefer a touch of sugar added during brewing. These ingredients blend into a balanced cup, where no single flavor overpowers the others. Step-by-step brewing process. Making Arabic coffee requires patience and attention. The tools matter: a Dallah, traditional Arabic coffee pot, and Finjan, small cups, but the process is simple once you learn the rhythm. Boil the water. Fill the Dallah with cold water and bring it to a boil over medium heat. Add coffee. Once boiling, reduce the heat and stir in the finely ground coffee. Let it simmer for 10 minutes, no rushing. Spice it up. Crush cardamom pods and saffron, if using directly into the pot. Stir gently to infuse the flavors. Let it settle. Remove from heat and allow the grounds to sink to the bottom for a clearer brew. Serve with care. Pour slowly into Finjan cups, leaving the sediment behind. The first sip should be strong, aromatic, and smooth. Timing is everything. Overboiling makes it bitter, while underbrewing leaves it weak. Watch the pot closely, and you'll master the balance. The cultural significance of Arabic coffee. Arabic coffee isn't just a drink, it's a language of connection. Every cup tells a story, whether it's shared between friends, offered to a guest, or served at ceremonial gatherings. The ritual is as important as the flavor, turning a simple beverage into a symbol of respect and tradition. Arabic coffee in social gatherings. From weddings to diplomatic meetings, Arabic coffee plays a central role in social events. It marks moments of celebration, negotiation, and bonding. Weddings. During celebrations, coffee is served continuously to guests as a sign of abundance and welcome. The bride's family often prepares it with extra care, sometimes adding saffron for a golden tint. Family gatherings. In homes, serving coffee is the first act of hospitality. A host who doesn't offer it risks seeming unwelcoming. Diplomatic events. Even in high-level meetings, Arabic coffee sets the tone. Leaders share cups as a gesture of goodwill, reinforcing trust before discussions begin. The act of serving isn't rushed. Each pour is deliberate, each sip respected. It's how people say, "You matter here." The role of the Gahwa ritual. The Gahwa ritual transforms coffee drinking into a ceremony. There are unspoken rules, and both host and guest have roles to play. The host's duty. They must serve the coffee with their right hand, holding the Dallah high for a slow, graceful pour. The cup is never filled to the brim, space is left for appreciation. The guest's role. They accept the cup with their right hand and sip slowly, showing gratitude. To refuse coffee is rare, reserved for moments of deep offense. The third cup rule. Tradition says the first cup is for the guest, the second for pleasure, and the third for hospitality. Finishing all three completes the exchange. This ritual isn't just about drinking, it's about presence. The pauses between sips, the quiet moments of connection, make it timeless. The next time you hold a finjan, notice how the warmth lingers. It's not just coffee. It's history and cup. Variations of Arabic coffee across regions. Arabic coffee isn't one uniform drink, it changes flavor and style as you move from country to country. Each region adds its own signature spices, brewing methods, and serving customs. Whether it's the bold cardamom punch of Saudi Kawa or the smoother Turkish-influenced cups in the Levant, these differences tell a story of trade, history, and local tastes. Saudi Arabian Kawa. Saudi Kawa is the gold standard of Arabic coffee, known for its deep spices and elegant presentation. What sets it apart? Cardamom dominates. Freshly crushed cardamom pods infuse the coffee with a warm, slightly citrusy kick. Some families use generous amounts, making each sip aromatic and bold. Saffron for luxury. In special settings, a pinch of saffron is added, giving the coffee a golden glow and a subtle floral note. Serving style. Saudi hosts pour kawa from a Dallah into small finjan cups, often accompanied by dates to balance the flavor. This isn't just coffee, it's a statement of hospitality. The stronger the spice, the warmer the welcome. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.